Vlog this for your YouTube channel.
I'm vlogging it right now. I have mad videos, just mad footage. Alright, y'all. So Esau is doing
What's up?
my makeup.
Yo, check out the channel coming soon.
That's too much. That's too much. Use the beauty blender.
What do I do with this?
Put it back. Ew, I look crazy.
I look like a homeless person. You talking about yourself?
Says, I'm about to get you.
I'm trying to deep condition my hair.
In
this side?
Can he wet it first?
Oh shit, I forgot. Go.
Water right there. Water bottle.
So this is my dare.
Yeah, what's up?
God help me.
No, Esau, don't do that. Oh my god.
You just said blooded all in her face.
Yes, like.
Oh,
everywhere,
dab.
everywhere.
Oh.
You gotta get it all over her face, bro.
Ow!
The definition of a beat face.
Nah, he trying to break my jump phones.
Get it everywhere.
I wish I had better lighting. Fuck it.
Same, nigga. I'm over here doing this shit.
I should fix this lighting right there, right? Wait, let me do it this way. Let me do it this way. There we go.
Okay, that's fine.
Don't give me that.
I'll get to that shit. Cool, this shit. It'll take time. Y'all can keep going. Instead of making dots, why does people just like take it off their hand and just dab it in? I feel like that makes way more sense.
I see your ruin.
I mean,
No, that definitely makes more sense. Then you got better consistency. Maybe I should do makeup for a living.
Let's see how you do first.
Yeah, before you go say nothing.
Watch me finesse this shit.
You probably do a better job than me.
get it on her ears too.
Like on
Like,
her ear?
yeah, it gotta be like right here. It gotta blend.
It wasn't made by Jimmy. He was
But I'm gonna look crackhead.
Isn't that the point? You're not supposed to look shit.
I'm gonna look like a whole different
So you
bitch.
don't need to keep putting it on the beauty blender. It's something.
Just let the artist do what they gotta do. Oh wait, let me not start with your little freaky ass.
What you mean?
I'm gonna grab your neck.
I don't use half that.
Under her eye?
Yeah, right.
This shit looks menacing as hell.
Alright, and then put it. Let me show you first. Put it under her arm like this.
I was not about to do
Make
that.
sure you get like under. Don't close your eyes. Look up.
Don't go
I'm
that
not gonna put it in your eye.
Don't make me go that close to my damn eye.
Right here.
Oh, I
Then
can
you
do
gotta
that.
look. It gotta be
Bridge of the nose?
right to the nose.
This is ghetto as hell. She just got my tripod.
The forehead. Remember?
You saw a painter with this fucking brush.
So you gotta make sure it's covered.
Look,
No, shit. You gotta put it back.
like a lot more?
Yes.
Over your eye?
It's supposed to brighten her under eye.
Where's my phone?
Oh, can you stop like moving so much?
Let me see my phone.
Don't go up, go down. You don't get it in her eye.
Wait, what the fuck?
Going that way?
Look, like this. I guess. Do the other eye too. Okay, put it right here.
Like a line?
Yeah, right in the middle of her nose.
Here.
Yeah, you put a lot. Put it on her forehead.
Like going up?
Or you can do lines, it don't matter.
You stupid phone.
You're like the fucking avatar. You're the Adidas sign. Well, keep going.
Yeah, look at me. Oh my gosh. Do it on the chin.
Down.
It don't matter, so you
Here.
gotta blend it.
Here.
Wait, on her cupid's bow. Okay. Alright.
Take the blender.
Yeah.
Why should they come out
The
from
bottom
there?
of the blender.
To the best of your ability. What's the point of doing
Home
it?
party?
Yeah.
That sounds lit, but some bitches be dirty.
I was gonna say, use them up.
Use the tip of it now. Yeah, so you can get it
Oh no.
under her eye.
Trust me.
Here.
Over your eye. Look up. See.
You use setting powder?
There's some setting powder in there. Like fresh powder. Maybe it's not in there. Nigga, how you get it on my lip? Yo, I'm a whole different color. Okay. Go ahead, finish.
Talk your shit.
I wasn't talking shit.
You see where it's a little dark by her cheek?
Right
You see
here?
that line? Yep, put it there.
Like right here?
First of all, hold it like this, okay? Okay. Oh my gosh, she's so awkward.
I'm sorry. Right. Gaga.
Okay.
I wasn't that
Other
much.
side. It looked like you were squeezing it OD.
Like this?
Okay.
This way? Kind of like coming down this way? Like from here?
Okay, now put it a couple spots on her forehead.
I now crown you Queen of Wakanda.
I wish I caught that on camera.
Okay, on her nose.
It is challenge day.
No! Esau!
You said put it like this on her.
A line.
Oh, going down?
Yes, because go per nose. Oh my gosh, your line is so fucked up. But it's okay.
You gotta blend this shit out.
Good ass.
Blend, little nigga. Esau. My nose is crooked.
Oh, D, you about to have, you look like her nose is broken. But we gonna fix it with some concealer. Lightly, you can't get it everywhere.
Just on her nose.
Who is not in this shit? It's everybody, right?
No,
This is our whole friend group.
Stan's not in it.
Huh?
Tom's not in it.
Stan is not. What you said?
Where's the papers?
Look at one.
Breaking glass on my over. Down?
Just, no, just a minute.
Oh, just on it?
It's evidence. There's a lot of it.
Damn, this shit has been taking y'all forever. I got way more appreciation for y'all now. You look cute as hell now. You welcome.
Nigga, you trying to say I was ugly before?
No, you better look cute.
Concealer in on that eye too. Damn, you put it like on her eye.
Shut the fuck.
It's not bad for your first time, Esau.
I think this looks good. I hope you looking better than half you girls.
At least there's no flashback.
Facts.
Done.
Blend it proper. You gotta make it look like it's not there.
Hey, we met on Friday. I'm super against hurting someone.
Really?
I'm deceased. I'm trying to make it feel like you're gonna die. Not actually kill you. Yeah.
I'm crossed.
You said blend up to your tooth.
It's mad white.
Yeah.
You picking put you in a bro. Okay, no.
I look like I belong in a Harriet Tubman movie right now.
I'm dead. Like a slave?
Which side is okay?
You're just almost a slave.
You know they got the head shit.
Let me see. Put your face in the camera.
It's a high.
Hey! Talk about saving the device.
Wait, no, you're not done. You gotta put highlighter. You gotta go over that.
Yeah, but I gotta document the process.
I wish my hair was done. I wasn't deep conditioning it.
Put some lip balm on.
Please, check.
What the hell was me?
Peep that shit. What? Yeah! Kill him. Check out the vlog. Shout out your YouTube channel.
Yellow 5 or yellow 5. But don't put the other shit.
So only
You could then win the game, man.
I know, that's why I said that.
You know, shut your face.
Why is it fucking?
Well, I did with the weird though.
Reverse back. You're gonna put the highlighter here.
First?
Yeah, the liquid first. Here.
Where's here? Put your finger right there. Hold up.
Little dots.
Where? Hold up.
Here.
Right on the.
Smile. Ready. Right? There you go. Dot. Damn, that's kind of close to her eye. Right here. Yeah.
Right here?
Mm-hmm. One.
Yeah, this shit is some dry ass shit. Dry ass shit.
Mm-hmm.
No, it's on the back.
Two. Mm-hmm. Okay. Now.
There's brushes in there.
Wait, you're not done. Her nose. You gotta.
Yeah, you got that.
This lighting.
You put on her nose.
Oh, Esau.
Where on her nose?
And a little on her forehead. No, like two. Right?
Well,
now,
try that.
Esau, you can hold the brush like it's a pencil.
Nah.
Let me show you.
Let me. Who's the artist? Who's the artist here? Shit. Yeah, get that money.
Use the beauty blender. Use the beauty blender.
No way.
No, for real.
Hold on, I gotta fix under your eye.
Now I gotta put this video up though.
What do you use this for?
Okay, now you're gonna take the brush.
Where?
Dip it in the brush. Come on, you keep dip it right. Now you can't lean over the couch when you do this. Tap the brush. Oh no, like tap it over. There you go. Right. Now take it and remember the circle motion.
Over here?
Over where you put the liquid at.
Oh my god, I love that song. This way?
Like try to, It don't look like you put nothing on the brush, but okay. Tap. Yes, it is. You don't see the glow? When the light hit it? You don't see the
Put the
glow?
light on my face, Drea. So you see.
In the
Look,
first
look at
place.
the glow. Look at the little... That little...
Worst day.
I mean, you kind of fucking it up, but it's okay. It's okay. You a guy. Sorry.
I'm not done yet. I'm Esau Green. Yeah. The best makeup artist. Here, I kill you. You're the adversity. Hey, yo, Esau Green. Black Panther so just finesse that shit. Look at her. She look like a whole goddamn me. I'm talking about 5 stars. Not no fucking baby back ribs / Applebee's type shit. I'm talking. You really gotta stop doing that shit on purpose. like I know what you're doing. You gotta chill. Oh, okay. So I'll just spray on your face, right? Or do you put your head in it?
From a distance.
No.
Like this close?
No.
Like this close.
I said, no. You're listening. Together.
Okay. I killed that shit. Hey, yo, my name's Esau Green. Any makeup you need done, anything you need done, hit me up.
So how y'all think he did?
Killed it. Killed that. Yeah.